Have you ever heard the phrase, your thoughts create your reality, ain't what out screw you, and wondered how to actually make that work in your life? The truth is, manifestation isn't just a mystical idea, it's a practice. And there are different techniques you can use to align your energy and attract the life you want. In today's video, we're exploring the most powerful types of manifestation techniques, so you can discover which one resonates with you the most. Manifestation is about turning thoughts, emotions, and intentions into reality. Different people connect with different methods, so there's no one size fits all. By the end of this video, you'll know several techniques, from visualization to scripting, that you can start practicing today to shift your energy and create meaningful changes in your life. One of the most popular manifestation methods is visualization. Close your eyes and picture your goal as if it's already real. Imagine the details, what you see, what you hear, and most importantly, what you feel. For example, if you want a new home, visualize walking through the rooms, touching the walls, and feeling the joy of being there. Your brain responds to vivid mental images almost as strongly as real experiences, making visualization a powerful way to train your subconscious mind. Another technique is scripting, writing your desires down as if they've already happened. Take a notebook and write in the present tense. I am so grateful for my new job where I feel valued and inspired every day. This combines intention with gratitude and helps reprogram your subconscious mind. It's like writing the script for your life, in a fee, and then stepping into that role. Affirmations are short, powerful statements you repeat daily. For example, I am worthy of love and abundance. Opportunities flow into my life with ease. The key is consistency. Affirmations reshape your inner dialogue and shift your energy, helping you align with what you want instead of what you fear. A vision board is a physical or digital collage of images, words, and symbols that represent your goals. When you see your vision board every day, it keeps your desires at the forefront of your mind. It's not just about pictures, it's about triggering emotions. The board should make you feel inspired, motivated, and connected to your future self. Gratitude is often overlooked, but it's one of the most magnetic manifestation techniques. When you genuinely feel grateful for what you already have, you shift your vibration to abundance. Try writing down 3 things you're grateful for each day, or silently thank the universe when something positive happens. Gratitude aligns your energy with receiving more blessings. Finally, there's the acting as if technique. This means living as if your desire has already manifested. Want to attract more confidence? Start carrying yourself like a confident person today. Want abundance? Begin making choices with the mindset of someone who already has enough. When your actions align with your vision, the universe responds. So these are 6 powerful manifestation techniques: visualization, scripting affirmations, vision boards, gratitude acting. As if remember, there's no single right way to manifest. The best technique is the one that feels natural and keeps you inspired. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions create your reality. So choose them wisely. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which manifestation technique are you most excited to try? Drop your answer in the comments below, and if you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we'll be diving deeper into spirituality, personal growth, and the power of the mind every week.